Hey, what's up? My name is AJ, and today I'm just showing y'all like a little basic setup that I have for my PlayStation. It's really not, anything fancy, but I'll show y'all what I got real quick. So here you have it. It's just a basic setup. It's just a TV. You got the PlayStation on the side right there. It's actually on top of a dresser. I was gonna wait until I got, a newer TV and a nicer setup, but I figured I'll show y'all the process. Of course, I'm gonna get a new TV, maybe with some light, some cool neon lights and stuff like that. But that's in the near future. Like I said, I was gonna wait, but I'll show y'all the process. As you can see, the PlayStation's over here. I actually got it laying down. I feel like it's more natural since I have the disc version. If it was actually standing up, right, you'll have to put the CD in this way, and that felt kind of awkward to me. So I kind of have a feeling that it's kind of meant to be laying down, even though you could stand it up and lay it down. But I actually like it like this, just so you could, it feels more natural. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, but this is just a basic setup that I have. As you can see, I do need a new TV. You can see the lights or these lines right here. That kind of messes up the gameplay. But I mean, it was a free TV at the moment, but I think I need to upgrade. What y'all think? What are y'all playing on? What type of TVs y'all playing on? Let me know in the comment section, because I'm kind of looking for one. Also, what other accessories do you guys have with the PlayStation to make it a better experience? Please let me know. What can I do to, upgrade my system? If you like this video, please subscribe, please like it, please comment. Let me know what y'all think.